Hi, I'm Brian with ericksontutoring.blogspot.com. Today we're going to discuss what it means to be nonpolar. Nonpolar is a word that describes a specific type of covalent bond. Covalent bonds are bonds where electrons are shared between atoms. The other type of bond you can have is an ionic bond, which means that there's no sharing between electrons. One completely hogs the other, or hogs the electrons of the other. So back to nonpolar bonds. Nonpolar bonds are covalent bonds where electrons are shared equally between two atoms. This often happens when you have two atoms of the same type. So maybe two oxygens bonded together are going to form a nonpolar covalent bond because they're going to share them equally. Other nonpolar molecules often will include maybe a long carbon chain because carbon and hydrogen will surround the carbons. Neither of them really has a strong affinity for electrons, so they'll share them fairly equally. Nonpolar molecules tend to only associate with other nonpolar molecules. The result is that a nonpolar substance will usually not mix with water, which is a polar substance. So that's why you have oils and waters that separate out and don't mix. It's because part of that oil is a nonpolar surface. So that's a discussion of what it means to be nonpolar.